Huddle up, sports fans. This week's Sunday Seafood Blitz is a sneaky swap that will last the entire game. Peppers stuffed with salmon bolognese. Here we go. We're kicking it off with the Mirepoix Blitz. Carrots, onions, and celery to lead the charge. We make a sneaky swap with the star player, sustainable salmon. Moving down the field, we slice them and dice them, sizzle and stuff them, and score big. More drizzle and dazzle for the extra 2 points. 10 times more healthy and the tastiest touchdown ever.
I think I'm gonna call it the Super Bolognese.